Hey guys, I hope all is well and welcome back for another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be going into depth into how to promote your OnlyFans page in 2022, and we're going to be going into some cold hard facts, and we're going to be going through some battle tested methods that I've personally used to help hundreds of OnlyFans creators scale their OnlyFans account up to 20k plus per month. And so this video is going to be a ton of value. Make sure you stick until the end. Now I'm just going to switch over to a slideshow where I'm going to be walking you guys through exactly how to do this. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we are now on the slideshow. Let's get into how exactly to promote your OnlyFans page in 2022. So what is promotion and why is it important? So promotion is a key component in creating a successful OnlyFans account. Promotion involves increasing the amount of attention or eyeballs essentially on your content and ultimately on your OnlyFans page. Now, the more you promote your OnlyFans, the more subscribers you will attract, which means you're going to be making more money. Now, how do you go about promoting your OnlyFans? Well, one of the advantages of starting an OnlyFans in 2022 is that social media is the biggest that it's ever been in history, because you literally have billions of people at your fingertips right now. Now, I recommend creating a social media account on each platform when you get started. I've personally seen the best results with my clients through doing this. And essentially, this means that you're going to have to put in a more effort when you begin. But as soon as you find a couple of platforms that start working for you, you can then double down on them and increase your results. So the social medias that I recommend are Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and TikTok, and Discord. Now, these are only a few of the social medias out there, but these social medias in general are going to be the highest leverage because they've got the most amount of users, and they got specific subcategories that you can actually join to quite easily attract subscribers if you're doing the right strategies. Now, the social media growth fundamentals that you need to know, and every social media has the same goal, so it's really simple. And the goal that they all share is they want to increase user engagement and time spent on app. Now, if you can help the platform keep users on the app as well as get the users engaging more on their platform, then you are going to see insane growth. Now, it doesn't matter what social media platform you're on. You can be on Reddit, you can be on TikTok, you can be on Facebook, you can be Twitter. If you increase them two attributes for any of these social medias, then you're going to be doing well, and you're going to be getting more engagement. Now, let's have a look at how to increase these two components. So first is user engagement. Now, the best way to increase user engagement is to make content that speaks directly to your audience. So you're going to want to do some research into who your target audience is and then create content around their topics of interest. So first of all, I always recommend niching down. And once you niche down, do some research into your niche, see what they like, see what they don't like. And once you start figuring out what they like, then you need to make content around what they're interested in. Now, another way to increase user engagement is to focus on being more creative. Now, a simple rule is the more creative your content is, the more shares and likes you will get. So, use your creative mind into thinking how you can get your content to, be more user friendly, to get more engagements, and ultimately just increase that creativity when you're making your content. You can do this through using better captions that are more relevant to your audience, or you can just make content in general that is a little bit quirky. So let's get into this second component of social media growth, and that is app time. So app time is another important component. Now, the trick to increasing app time is to focus on better hooks. Now, if you don't know what a hook is, it's essentially what keeps your audience on your content. Now, a hook works for either written or video content. So for example, if you're making a TikTok, a good hook would be you're never going to guess what happened. Now, a simple hook like that is going to keep people watching the video for longer as they're intrigued. And in fact, if you go on your social medias right now, for example, Instagram, and go on TikTok and just start scrolling through, you're going to see that the videos that go viral have got some sort of hook in place, and start writing down what hooks they're using, what hooks are successful, and then see how you can leverage this for yourself. So that concludes the video. I hope you guys got some value from it. I want to keep this simple and straight to the point and give you some practical advice. Start making social medias, focus on them two attributes, and just be consistent with it, and you're going to see success. And ultimately, the more eyeballs you get on your content, the more money you're going to be making. So without further ado, I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.